Find and replace text between in a Notepad++. I have a large text file where I want to remove all text between the symbol and the symbol. This needs to work across lines as well. I tried doing a regular find and replace using in the find box and nothing in the replace box, but it found 0 results.
This is not possible with a regular find and replace. If you use Notepad++, you can take advantage of the new regex engine that supports PCRE source. Press Ctrl+H to open the find and replace dialog and perform the following action. Now press Alt+A to replace all occurrences. The regular expression in find what is composed as follows. \caret is a literal. Question mark is the least amount of characters that allows the regular expression to match. Is a literal.
You're gonna want to search for \caret. Question mark and make sure matches new line is enabled. This is because has a special meaning, it matches the beginning of a line. Thus, we need to escape it with a \caret. Writing would match any number of start of line in a row. Dot matches any character, but by default it doesn't match new lines.
Try using this regex in the find section \caret to replace everything between and inclusively.
I had a similar between replacement requirement with start and end characters. This came from Outlook email, hundreds of members, and I just wanted the person names with everything removed between and LT, remove text here and GT. Original. Dennis was close to my solution, find what column \caret. Question mark, but I had to change my literal characters, find what column \, and LT, question mark and GT, then I had to remove the first slash, find what column in LT, question mark and GT. Updated, find what column in LT, question mark and GT, replace empty.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.